Welcome to Zaplet's automation tutorial. In this video, we'll create an order fulfillment flow that automatically sends customers their tracking details on WhatsApp. Open your Zaplet dashboard and click on Create Automation Flow. Name your flow Order Fulfillment. From the Flow Type dropdown, select Order Fulfillment. This flow will trigger when an order has been shipped or fulfilled in Shopify. Next, set the time delay, enter 5 seconds, or choose the delay that fits your workflow. Now write your WhatsApp message. Hi, customer first name, your order is on its way. Your tracking number is... You can use short codes like tracking number, tracking URL, customer name, or order name to personalize each message. Under template message type, select utility because this is a transactional message. Now scroll down to the buttons section, click Add Static button, set the button title to Track Your Order, and paste the tracking URL shortcode in the button URL field. This allows customers to track their parcel with one click directly from WhatsApp. If you want, you can attach a product image or your logo by selecting custom image or video and pasting the media URL from Shopify files, or just leave it without media. If your business serves specific countries, you can apply filters so the message only goes to those regions. Once everything is done, click Create Flow. Zaplet will now automatically send the WhatsApp tracking message to every customer after their order is fulfilled. That's all for this tutorial. You've successfully built your order fulfillment automation flow in Zaplet.